Welcome! In today's video, we'll learn how to hide a group chat on WhatsApp web using your PC, thanks to the latest update. This feature is perfect for keeping your conversations private and out of sight. Let's get started with the steps. First, open your web browser and navigate to whatsapp.com. If you're not logged in yet, scan the QR code with your phone to access your account. Once you're in, you'll see your list of chats on the left side of the screen. Next, locate the group chat you want to hide. This could be a group that you don't want cluttering your main chat list, or one that contains sensitive information. Once you find the group, right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu with various options. Now, click on Lock Chat. This option will start the process of hiding that specific group chat from your main view. After clicking Lock Chat, you'll be prompted to enter a secret code. This code is essential for protecting your chat, so choose one that you can remember but that's also secure. Type your secret code carefully to ensure it's entered correctly. Finally, confirm the step by clicking the appropriate option. Once you do this, the group chat will be successfully hidden, ensuring it remains out of sight until you decide to access it again. And that's it. You've successfully hidden your group chat on WhatsApp web. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Keep your chats organized and secure.